The moment the 2026 Ford Mustang comes into view, it delivers a powerful message without saying a word. This is not a farewell tour. This is not a watered-down tribute to the past. This is a full-throttle declaration that muscle cars are alive, evolving, and more electrifying than ever. In a world rushing towards silence and screens, the Mustang stands tall with attitude, sound, and soul, reminding everyone why performance cars still matter. From the outside, the 2026 Mustang looks sharper, wider, and more intentional. Every line feels carved by speed. The long hood stretches forward like a promise, while the low, aggressive stance anchors the car to the road. The signature tri-bar lighting remains, now sharper and more precise, glowing like modern armor. The grille is bold and unapologetic, feeding air to engines built for real driving, not just numbers on a spec sheet. This design doesn't chase trends. It commands attention. Step closer and the details begin to hit. Sculpted body panels catch light differently from every angle. Aerodynamic elements are seamlessly integrated, improving stability without ruining the classic Mustang silhouette. Performance wheels fill the arches perfectly, hiding serious brakes that hint at what this car can do when pushed. Whether finished in iconic white, deep metallic shades, or aggressive dark tones, the Mustang carries an unmistakable presence that turns parking lots into stages. Under the hood, the Mustang proves why its legend continues. The available 5.0-liter V8 remains the heart and soul of the lineup, delivering thunderous power, instant throttle response, and that unmistakable sound that no electric motor can replace. It's raw, emotional, and deeply mechanical. Every press of the accelerator reminds you that this car was built for people who love driving. For those who want efficiency with edge, the turbocharged EcoBoost engine offers impressive performance, sharp handling, and modern tuning that keeps the Mustang accessible without losing its bite. Transmission choices keep enthusiasts at the center of the experience. A manual gearbox remains available, preserving the physical connection between driver and machine. Each shift feels deliberate, mechanical, and satisfying. The automatic option delivers lightning-fast gear changes, optimized for both daily driving and aggressive performance. No matter the choice, the Mustang feels alive beneath you. Inside, the 2026 Mustang blends muscle car attitude with modern technology. The cockpit is driver-focused, wrapping controls, screens, and performance data around the person behind the wheel. A large digital display replaces traditional gauges while still honoring classic Mustang layouts. Animations feel sharp and purposeful, delivering real-time performance information without distraction. The central touchscreen flows seamlessly into the dashboard, offering connectivity, navigation, and customization that matches the car's aggressive personality. Materials feel upgraded and intentional. Sport seats hug the body, designed for long drives and hard cornering. Stitching, textures, and trim elements elevate the cabin without turning it into something soft or generic. This is still a Mustang, still performance first, but now refined enough to compete with modern performance coupes on every level. Then come the special trims that push the excitement even further. Performance-focused variants turn the Mustang into a true track weapon, with enhanced suspension tuning, wider tires, aggressive aero components, and sharper steering response. These versions don't just look fast. They feel fast in every corner, every braking zone, every hard launch. The Mustang doesn't just cruise. It attacks. And then there's the ultimate expression of Mustang. Performance. The extreme, race-inspired versions take everything Ford has learned from motorsport and inject it directly into a road-legal monster. Power figures reach astonishing levels. Carbon fiber components reduce weight and increase rigidity. Aerodynamics are functional, not decorative. This is where muscle car meets supercar territory, blurring lines that once seemed impossible to cross. The driving experience seals the deal. On the road, the 2026 Mustang feels planted, confident, and eager. Steering is precise, suspension balances comfort with aggression, and the chassis communicates exactly what the tires are doing. Push harder, and the car rewards skill. Ease back, and it becomes a comfortable cruiser. Few cars manage this balance. The Mustang does it with style. What truly makes the 2026 Ford Mustang special isn't just the power, the design, or the technology. It's the emotion, the sound of the engine starting, the way the car looks back at you when you walk away. The feeling that this machine was built for passion, not compromise. While others move on, the Mustang evolves without forgetting where it came from. This car proves that muscle cars are not relics of the past. They are living, breathing machines that adapt, improve, and continue to inspire. The 2026 Ford Mustang doesn't apologize for being loud, bold, and powerful. It celebrates it. It stands as a reminder that driving can still be thrilling, personal, and unforgettable. The muscle car era isn't ending. As long as cars like the 2026 Mustang exist, it's only getting louder, faster, and more exciting.